How do YouTubers earn? You're in bed, phone turned sideways, headphones on, watching one of your favorite artists' Vivo channels, a beauty tutorial, a how-to video, or one of the many pranking channels you can't get enough of. At first glance, you might believe that these people are providing their content for free. Sure, they may have started out that way, but we're here to tell you that some of YouTube's most popular channels are now making money. A lot of money. So how much money do YouTubers make? That's exactly what we'll tell you. You've come to the right place if you're curious about how much money YouTubers earn and how to become one. We'll go over the average YouTube pay rate as well as some helpful hints for starting a good YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how much money YouTubers earn per view? YouTubers can make anywhere from 1 cent to 3 cents per view with Adsense, according to a number of outlets, with an average of 18 cents per view. However, the price YouTube.com would pay is determined by a number of factors, including the number of people who have seen your video, the number of times an advertisement is clicked, advertisement efficiency. Ad blockers are applications that restrict you from seeing ads. The duration of the video. For every 1,000 views, how much money do YouTubers make? With an average pay rate of 1 cent to 3 cent per ad view on YouTube, a YouTuber will earn about $18 per 1,000 ad views, which equates to $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views. According to Forbes, a YouTuber will earn around $5 for every 1,000 video views if they have top talent. Having said that, starting a YouTube channel can be a lucrative side gig, particularly if you create interesting content that draws a large audience. However, getting to this point may be challenging, as we'll discuss later in this article. What does a YouTuber get paid per subscriber? YouTube does not pay you depending on how many people subscribe to your site. Subscribers are people who want to follow your account in order to have instant access to your most recent videos. When you upload a video, it will appear on their homepage automatically. Subscribers are important because they are the ones that are most likely to leave comments, like your videos, and share them with others. That means that if you use the right ads, you'll get more views and potentially earn more money on YouTube. Although YouTube does not pay you based on how many subscribers you have, the amount of views your videos get is important. It's also worth noting that this is a rapidly expanding area. According to eMarketer, by 2021, social video ad spending will have increased by 44% from 2019. That's a rise of $14.89 billion. How many views are needed for YouTubers to be paid? To be charged by YouTube, you must accumulate a balance of $100 or more in views. If you get $5 for every 1,000 views, you'll need to get 20,000 views. YouTube created the YouTube Partner Program to make this possible, which helps you to earn money by displaying advertising on your website. You must meet the following criteria to be accepted into the YouTube Partners program. Have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. In the previous 12 months, you must have completed 4,000 hours of legitimate public watch. Accept the terms and conditions by signing and agreeing to them. Have you signed up for Adsense? Have your application reviewed and accepted. You'll be able to start earning money from ads once you've joined the YouTube Partners program. This can be achieved in one of two ways: cost per 1,000 views, CPM, or cost per click, CPC. You can earn money based on the number of people who click on the ad placed on your page or video. However, it's worth noting that when you use AdSense to view ads, Google will send you 68% of the revenue. As an example, if a video earns $1,000 in AdSense revenue, you would be paid $680. What other sources of income do YouTubers have? Advertisements aren't the only way YouTubers make money or supplement their profits. In reality, a YouTuber's income is derived from a variety of sources. Other ways to supplement a YouTuber's income include: have you ever seen a YouTuber review a product and clicked on an affiliate link? How about one in which a YouTuber mentions their favorite brand? If that's the case, you've come across affiliate ties. A YouTuber reviews or mentions a product, such as cosmetics or a service, such as marketing software, using affiliate links. When a viewer clicks on the link in the video description and buys something, the YouTuber gets a percentage of the sale. Merchandise. Whether you follow a famous gamer or a regular vlogger, you've probably noticed that they've opened a shop and created merchandise for their devoted fans to buy. YouTubers with a wide following also turn their channel into a brand and sell t-shirts, bags, hats, and other accessories. Sponsorship. With over 2 billion monthly users and 1 billion hours of watching per day, YouTube is the most widely used video viewing platform around today. And if you're a big-time YouTuber with a strong following, companies are going to want to partner with you. Famous YouTubers also make their money through brand sponsorships. You might be surprised by how many brands are happy to pay YouTubers to review or promote their products and increase their sales. Who are the highest paid YouTube stars? So how much money do YouTubers make? You may be curious about how much money they carry home per year now that you know how they're paid. Take a look at the top 10 YouTuber salaries from 2018. Number 10, Logan Paul, $14.5 million. Number 9, PewDiePie, $15.5 million. Number 8, Jacksepticeye, $16 million. Number 7, Vinos Gaming, $17 million. Number 6, Markiplier, $17.5 million. Number 5, Jeffree Star, $18 million. Number 4, Dan TDM, $18.5 million. Number 3, Dude Perfect, $20 million. Number 2, Jake Paul, $21.5 million. Number 1, Ryan Toys Review, $22 million. What is the best way to make money on YouTube? You may be considering a career change after seeing the salaries of the top 10 YouTubers. Do you believe you have what it takes to compete with these YouTube stars and are unsure how to get started as a YouTuber? When it comes to finding out how to get paid on YouTube, there are a few things to think about. One way to build a strong following is to find your niche. Gaming, news, celebrity gossip, product reviews, cooking, spoofs, pranks, how-to demonstrations, and life hacks are all common niches to consider. If you're lost for ideas, note that 5 of the top 10 YouTubers in 2018 were gamers. Another technique for making money on YouTube is to post on a regular basis. Your followers will know when to expect new content from you if you build a fixed schedule of uploads, such as every Tuesday night. Investing in the right tools, such as a camera, microphone, and lighting, will also help you succeed as a YouTuber. It's also a good idea to learn how to edit your videos so that you can attract more viewers. Your videos would stand out if they have engaging material with high quality and captivating effects. If video editing isn't your strong suit, consider hiring a freelance video designer or watching YouTube tutorials on the subject. Relevant things to consider. What do YouTubers get paid? Between 1 cent and 3 cents per view, equating to $3 or $5 per 1,000 views and up to $5,000 for 1 million views. YouTube makes money from Adsense advertising, sponsorships with well-known brands, and affiliate ties. Only after you've received $100 or more from advertisements on your channel and videos can YouTube compensate you. Salary for popular YouTubers can cross millions of dollars, and the highest paid YouTuber in 2018 was Ryan, a 7-year-old boy who started his own channel named Ryan Toys Review. In a single year, it netted him $22 million. Do you want to learn how to make money on YouTube? Finding a niche, posting frequently, purchasing the proper equipment, and learning how to edit your videos well are all helpful tips. If you want to know more financial tips like these, make sure to click subscribe and give this video a like. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.